you're missing the point. What we need is people. Medical people, paramedic people.
Oh, I agree. I'm not suggesting it as an either-or situation.
Well, no.
I'm just looking at all of the different pieces.
We don't have either of them, and yet there is in existence a model of care that can be implemented relatively cheaply without building a new hospital.
We can look at all of that.
Former West Clare GP and Fine Gael general election candidate Dr Tom Nolan took his opportunity to press the Minister for the need for an urgent care unit in Ennis. He was in good company, however, with a large group wishing to raise their concerns. Patrick Hart suffered an ischemic stroke in January and an air ambulance was unable to land near his property. Fortunately, a community first responder team was on hand to attend until an ambulance could arrive. He and his wife Dolores say the event urgently demonstrated the need for more supports.
Exactly that, that we just need ambulances this direction. We need ASAP now, it's not thinking about down the line or...
More services, we just need more services in the area because we are so far away from Limerick Hospital.
Even in this hospital.
Even in Ennis, if they could do something more with Ennis, because it is a great hospital. And
open up the accident emergency in this hospital as well.
Others were not as lucky when it came to ambulance care. Caroline Bradley, who had to rush her own husband to hospital in February after he suffered serious injuries in a farming accident, claims the nearest ambulance was 132 kilometres away in Newcastle West. She told the Health Minister the people of West Clare have been forgotten.
West Clare is in its position again of being forgotten. We are back here on the coast and no one seems to know we exist. Apparently there should have been a call out to first responders to me that evening. I didn't know any of this at the time. But when the ambulance wasn't available, the first responders should have been called, and apparently none of them got a call. So I had no choice but to take this on myself and bring him myself.
Last month, Alison Clancy's son Paddy suffered an anaphylactic shock due to an egg allergy. An ambulance was unfortunately not available, and she says she had to drive to Lissy Casey to meet a paramedic crew, a situation she claims was frightening.
While I was waiting for my husband, I knew I couldn't wait for him to come back, so I rang the ambulance and spoke to the call handler, and she told me that there was no ambulance in Clare. The nearest ambulance was Limerick. Now at this point, every second my son's airway was closing, and I don't say it likely, but he would have died.
Jennifer Carroll MacNeill is currently visiting Ennis Diamond, where she will also meet with locals and will finish her visit later today at Ennis Hospital. Dara Dolan, Clare FM News in Kilkee.